For the flower, I'm using worsted weight yarn and the color mint, and I'm using 2 strands just because I like it. I like how um, the flower looks a little bit bigger but not too big. And I'm using a K 6.5 millimeter hook, and so I'm gonna start by making a slip knot, and I'm gonna do that by passing the back loop to the front, and the loop that was in the front I move it to the front one more time, and then we are going to chain 10. To chain, you pick up a loop and pull it through, 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 pick up a loop and pull it through. And we need to do this 10 times. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna make a circle. We're gonna make a slip knot, a slip stitch, sorry. We're gonna make a slip stitch to join. And now we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to make a single crochet in the ring, and we're gonna do this 5 times. So we're gonna chain 1, 2, 3, and then we make a single crochet in the ring. So now here we have 2 little loops, and then now we're gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, and we make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we make a single crochet. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need one more. 1, 2, 3, and then we make single crochet. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't know if you can see them right here. And I'm going to make a slip stitch here to kind of join a little bit more. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to make we're gonna start making a single crochet here. So we make a single crochet, we pick up the yarn and pull it through. That's a single crochet. Now we're gonna make a half double crochet, and we do that by picking up the yarn, grab the yarn, and pass it through all 3 loops, and then there's a half double crochet. Now we chain 1, and we are going to make 6 double crochet in this ring. Okay, here we have 1, and so we grab the yarn, we go in and under, or now we come out, we pass through 2 loops, and now we do that twice, another 2 loops. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Now we do the same thing, we pull the yarn to 2 loops, and then we do the last 2 loops. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 double crochet. Now we are going to make a half double crochet again. We pick up the yarn, pull it through the ring, bring it out, and pull to all 3 loops. Pull it all 3. Now we're going to make a single crochet by grabbing the yarn and pulling through the 2 loops. And here we have our first little petal. Now we are going to I like to slip stitch over here in this little space in the center, just to get closer to the next ring. And then over here we are going to do the same thing. We're going to make a single crochet, we're going to make a half double crochet. Remember, pull it out through all 3 loops. We chain 1, and then we are going to make 6 double crochet. So we go through these 2, now we go through these 2, so that makes 1 double crochet. We pull it through loops, 2 more loops, that's 2 double crochet. Then we have 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we are going to make a half double crochet. Now we're going to make a single crochet. Okay, and then we're done with our second beautiful little petal. Now we are going to go here and make a little slip stitch there. Now we are going to work doing the same thing. We start with a single crochet, then we make a half double where we pass the yarn over the 3 loops. We chain 1, and then we start making a double crochet, pass it through 2 loops, and then 2 more loops. Grab the yarn, go in the ring, pull the yarn out, pass it through 2 loops, and then 2 more loops. So now I have 2 double crochet. Now I have 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we have 6, we have to make a half double crochet, then we make a single crochet, and then we make a little slip stitch there. And now we have 3. Now we are going to do the same thing over here. We're going to start by making a single crochet, then we make a half double crochet, then we are going to chain 1, and we are going to make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we make a half double, then we make a single crochet. Now we are going to find a place where to slip, and there we go. Now we start again by making a single crochet, half double crochet, and then we chain 1, and then we wrap the yarn around the hook. We go inside the ring, we pull the yarn, we pull it through 2 loops, and then we pull it through 2 loops. Now we have our first double crochet. We keep repeating the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we are going to make our half double crochet, and then we make a single crochet, Then I'm gonna slip stitch over here. And then we're done. Then I'm gonna cut the yarn and leave a little bit of a tail. And then we're gonna pull the yarn through. And here we have our first part of our flower. Now we got it. I'll be back to make the second part.